Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you a little bit about our charting capabilities. I'm going to choose a currency pair. Let's go with cable. This takes us to our trading screen. Go to a charting page by clicking Chart Only. Now we see Charts Only. When I click on the charting icon at the bottom right of the screen, we can change the type of chart. We have 4 types of charts: an area chart, a line chart, candlesticks, and open, high, low, close. At the top of the screen, we can choose how much history we want to see. Do we want to see the last hour of trading, as is shown now? Or we can slide this across and show the last day of trading, or the last week of trading. In most trading platforms, you choose the size of the bar. We instead ask, how much history would you like to see? And on the charting icon on the bottom right, it tells us what's the size of the bar we're looking at. In this case, we're seeing 1 day of history using 15-minute bars. We can zoom in and see smaller bars. Now we're seeing 10-minute bars, 5-minute bars, 3-minute bars, 2-minute bars, etc. And the screen is always being updated by the live market. Let's go back to 1 day of history. When I choose the charting icon, I can also choose indicators. We offer simple moving averages, Bollinger Bands, exponential moving averages, fractals, linear weighted moving average, parabolic stop and reverse, and a smoothed moving average. For example, let's choose a simple moving average. We choose how many data points we want in our example. Let's say a moving average of the last 10 data points. We'll make the size of the bar a little bit thicker. This is just for display. And we'll choose a color. Apply. And now you can see this simple moving average added to our chart. We can add more indicators. For example, let's also add another moving average using a longer period, 15 data points. Make it a little thicker, and we'll use yellow. Apply. And furthermore, let's change the type of chart we're looking at. Let's use a bar chart, open, high, low, close. And as we pinch and bring in more data, this is all updated. If we go back to a trading screen, for example, look to trade spot, these indicators are preserved, and they will be preserved as you change charts to other currency pairs, etc. To remove them, click on that charting icon again, go to Editing Tools, and we can see what's being charted, and we can remove one or both or edit them. On this trading screen, we also have the ability to zoom in, but the last data point will always be the current market price. Or we can pinch in more data. We still have the indicator telling us how much history we're seeing. So there's an overview of charting in our trading platform. I hope you enjoyed, and we look forward to hearing your feedback.